there's a lot of this where as I'm reading content, it feels like AI regurgitated nonsense. The fear I run into with this being flooded on the consumer market and the, hey, everybody, it's time for you to use this in your business. If everybody's doing the same thing, all of your outputs are going to be the same thing.
There's tons of companies that are not ChatGPT that are using their own systems and their own AI and making it more available to the general public. I mean, we use Otter AI for our transcription services. We use a little bit of Midjourney for just concepts. What would it look like? How can we create? How can we think about this? Not necessarily replacing the human, but how can we be able to just experiment with an idea rapidly before committing a larger time investment?
The problem I'm starting to see with that specifically is that as these tools have become more available and more widely used, again, because it's taking inputs and creating something, you are starting to see patterns. And that's something where I read an article from Forbes. I looked at it. There was content, and it's the subject matter, I would say, had the potential to be good. Artificial intelligence and clouds, a complex relationship of collaboration and concern. Just to me reading it, you walk into this, okay, we would want to see a good adaptation for synergy between cloud computing and AI. And then it goes to, here's how they could work together. Here's AI as an antagonist. And then it kind of ends on that note.
Even scrolling through it, it feels like you're reading the same redundant information multiple times.
So not that I'm going to accuse the author of using an AI input, but there's a lot of this where as I'm reading content, it feels like AI regurgitated nonsense. The fear I run into with this being flooded on the consumer market and the, hey, everybody, it's time for you to use this in your business, or use this tool, or 3 easy steps, or all the wild videos you see on how to simplify. If everybody's doing the same thing, all of your outputs are going to be the same thing. And I think we're starting to see, okay, where is the line where this has become a helpful tool and it's become spam generation, which is about the same.
Well, and I don't know that I'd call everything spam generation too, right? No. All content can have a certain amount of value to the right individual. And I might be antagonizing that point a little bit. The idea that we can just go to ChatGPT, and a lot of businesses are saying like, oh my gosh, this is going to replace content writers and they're going to do this, they're going to do that. And that might be so. However, there are going to be places that say, okay, great, ChatGPT, did you write this? Right? Or we end up being more creative trying to hide the fact that we're using AI systems than actually being creative with our approach. So even though we might be replacing low-tier tasks or low-tier items, we can't replace it with just low-tier outputs.
Right.
Because that produces more trash. And not even spam at that point. It's additional trash that's in the marketplace.
Yeah.